welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this look using the Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. I'm so excited because I love how this turned out. Like you guys know, I almost never do very contoured eyes, especially in the crease, because I think that my eyes are deep set. So these types of looks, although I love them, I feel like they are not made for me. However, I love how this look turned out. And you know, I always show you step by step how to do everything. But before I get into this makeup look, I just want to share with you a few informations about this palette. So this palette has 12 colors. It comes with a brush. It is available in Sephora exclusively online and in stores. You'll find all the links for all the products that I've used in this video, as usual, in my description down below. Now let's get started. I'm going to start with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is in Original. And it's great if your eyeshadow usually creases. There are some people who simply have very oily eyelids, just like we have very oily skin. It can happen with the eyelids as well. So if your eyeshadow creases, I guarantee you that if you're using this, you will not have that problem anymore. Make sure you apply a tiny little bit of product. I really like it because it doesn't really have a color, which makes it perfect for every skin tone. This is the star of this video, the Naked Ultraviolet eyeshadow palette. I really like this combination between more neutral and more like purplish, bluish, violet kind of a vibe. Maybe you know this, maybe you don't know, but in order to create like purple and like violet, this type of color that we have right here, it's very hard in the makeup world. Pigment seems to be like very hard to create, and you're going to see that actually these colors have a lot of pigment. They have a great color payoff. I think that the finish of these colorful eyeshadows right here, which is like a satin, very soft satin finish, it makes it so much easier if you want to do daytime looks, if you want to do nighttime looks. Like it's much more versatile than if it was matte. The palette comes with this brush. You've got one side that's more like a pencil brush and the other side more for blending. I've got very small eyes, so I tend to use smaller brushes than this. I will start with the Cyberpunk, this color right here. And because I've got such small eyes, I need to use like a tiny little brush. I'm getting this color very close to the lashes. And then I just wing it. Same eyeshadow. I'm going to apply in the crease. This has a great color payoff. Then I tilt my head back and I just perfect it a little bit. Now I take the brush that comes with the palette and I blend this. Not too much. I still want just to have this sort of a graphic shape. Just the edge. You guys, this eyeshadow palette for hazel brown, green eyes. This is amazing. Next, I'll take this Urban Decay Glide On pencil in Alkaline. It has like the color of wine. And I'm getting this super close to the lashes. And then I do the same thing in the crease, mapping like the shape of the eye, like so. I take again the brush that comes with, blend it very gently. As you can see, I didn't press too much on that pencil, like I barely touched it. So it creates this beautiful like gradient. One more time, I'm taking that same Cyberpunk and intensify it here at the base of the lashes. Now I'm going to take this color called VR, this one right here. It's so incredibly beautiful. I love the reflex. And with my finger, I will apply it all over the lid. I have a little struggle right here to apply my eyeshadow in this tiny little space with my finger, so I'll just use the brush that comes with the palette. I don't know if you can tell, there are zero fallouts. It also grabs very well onto the skin. You know, that's amazing. Now, the next color that I'm going to use is this one right here. It's called Lucid. It's fantastic. Like, check this out. It's like a whitish, greenish with a little purple reflexes. I love it. For this step, I'll take a super small brush and get this color in the inner corner, like so. Like right here. Just what's left on my brush, on this tiny little brush, I will dot that same eyeshadow on the middle of my eyelid right here. So it reflects the light a little bit more. I'll take back the pencil and apply it at the base of my lower lashes. And then again, that cyberpunk. Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. On the lips, I'm going to simply apply this lip liner, also from Urban Decay, in the color Naked 2. I'll finish with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. If you want your makeup to last 12 hours plus, use this guy. This really makes a difference in the longevity of your makeup. So if you have a problem with your makeup being like starting to fade, usually it starts to fade on the chin, on the nose, maybe on the cheeks, definitely on the forehead for some people, because that's where we produce a little bit more sebum. Try this. It's a great product. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm actually very happy with the way this look turned out and very impressed with this palette. If you like these colors in this palette, I totally recommend you this palette. Urban Decay does not disappoint when it comes to their eyeshadows. No wonder they're so popular. A lot of you probably already have at least like one of their Naked palette. They're famous for that, right? In my opinion, I actually think that out of all the palettes that they've created, this is the most versatile for people who love to do like very soft looks, but then they also like to play with makeup because there are a lot of colors that you can play with. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions about this palette or this look, maybe I missed some details, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know your opinion about this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.